Your Windows battery is dying too soon? I will show you 5 ways to fix that. 1. Power mode. Go to Settings, then click on System, then click on Power and Battery, then click on Power Mode. Here you can choose yourself how you want it if your computer is plugged in or running on battery. I recommend choosing Best Performance if you are plugged in and Best Power Efficiency if you are on battery. I like to have it at Best Performance when plugged in and Balanced when it's on battery, because performance also matters for me. Brightness. Press Ctrl-A and slide the brightness bar to about 25 when you are low on battery. Otherwise, keep it at 100. You can also go to Settings, then click System, and then click Display. Here, if your device supports it, you might have an option for Auto Brightness. As you can see, I don't have one on my computer. Reduce background activity. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open the Task Manager. Here, right-click any background processes which you don't need and click End Task. I recommend closing any background processes which are not from Microsoft or your computer manufacturer, or have to do something with virus protection. For example, I don't need Microsoft Edge running in the background, so I simply right-click and end it. Sleep and Screen Timeout. Go to Settings, then click on System, and then click on Power and Battery. Here, click on Screen Sleep and Hibernate Timeouts. Here you have the option for plugged in and on battery. I have the plugged in set as the defaults and the on battery both as an hour. Battery saver. Go to Settings, then click System, then click Power and Battery, and then go to Battery Saver. Here, you can turn on Always Use Energy Saver and also have lower screen brightness when using Energy Saver on. I like to have it off for the sake of my eyes. To turn on Battery Saver, press Windows A on your keyboard and click on Energy Saver. So that's it for the video. If you liked it, please leave a like and share it with those who might need it. Till the next video, goodbye.